And that's it, we have created a very basic bot that we click literally everywhere. So this is quite embarrassing. Please stop. This is embarrassing. I don't want it to click everywhere, so we are going to add a toggling function. Currently, the click function will be called forever. This is not what we want. What we want instead is that if a condition is met, then we click. Easy, right? So technically this thing should do the trick. At the beginning of the script I don't want it to be enabled, but if I ever press A, I would like to enable it. Easy, right? And here is the code for it. But this version is even better, because whenever I press A, it will start clicking, and whenever I press A again, it will reverse. But I also need to wait a little bit before enabling it again, else it will be triggering every time I press A before I even have the time to release it. Voila, fantastic. It keeps clicking, that's so cool, and now it stops. Yup, super! The process used to solve this problem was very easy. I would like to click under a condition. If this condition is true, then I click. Else, I don't do anything. If I press the button A, then I will set this condition to the opposite of its current state. If this is true, then it's going to be false. And vice versa. And also, don't forget to add a little sleep if it triggers every time. Fantastic! And now, on the next video, we are going to try to detect something on the screen.